How do I vet tenants? First of all, I don't touch it. I don't want anything to do with it. But in reality, if I own 1 or 2 multifamilies, right? So what I do now is I outsource it. I'll give it to a property manager and they'll do their thing and they'll vet the tenants, right? But if you're Susie 2-family, Johnny 2-family, and you just need to fill a couple units, I can give you the key things to look for. First of all, guys, there's a lot of good people that don't pay their bills. Like a lot of times, right, we want to give people the benefit of the doubt and we want to kind of err on the side of, human nature, right? But in this situation, we really need to look at this from a financial standpoint and say, does this make financial and frugal sense for these folks? So we need to make sure we look at some very important things and documents to make sure these people can pay their bills. So one, let's look at their bank statements, right? Let's understand if they had any insufficient funds or they have issues with their own bank accounts. Number 2, let's look at the pay stubs. If their pay stubs don't equate to more money than what the rent is, it's going to be really hard to pay the bills, right? Number 3, let's have them pull their own credit check. So let's have them go on one of the free credit sites and pull their credit and give it to us to understand. And number 4 and 5 is let's do a background check and also have them fill out an application. So we have personal data and personal information on these people so we can actually check it with some professional references. So with those things, it's not going to guarantee you to have a good tenant that pays, but it's going to put you in a position where you have a better percentage result that that tenant actually pays their bills and will pay on time. Hey, you watched it to the end. That means you must have liked it. Now do me a favor. Click like, click subscribe, or share this with your friends for future content.